Do you sometimes want to share something on Facebook with just a selected group of your friends? Hejsan hej, I am PixelPia, and today we're gonna take a look at how you can create lists to use when you will post something to just a couple of friends. In my last video I talked about how you can control who can see what you post, and if you missed that video I will have a link down in the description. One of the things I talked about was to use lists, and today I want to show you how you can create them. So we start here in the news feed, and on the left hand side we choose friends, and at the bottom we have custom lists. As I said in my last video, I have already created a couple. So we're gonna create a new list. We hit create list, and the first thing we're gonna do is name the list. And I'm gonna call this YouTube Friends. So here we have my list, YouTube Friends, and add friends. This is where it takes a long time. If you haven't done it when you started your Facebook, you have to go through all of your friends here. You can use search. So for example, let's search for Tish is one of my YouTube friends, and I can keep on doing this. I'm gonna save the changes now, and here we have my friends. But I might have forgotten someone. So I need to go in and add and remove. And if you're not sure that you have everybody in there already, you just have to go through it one by one here, and the ones that belong on that list. So I can keep on adding my friends. I'm gonna stop there, and now I can send a message to everybody in this list if I want to. Let me show you another good use of your list. If I am posting something that is specifically for this list, I can go down and choose my list YouTube friends and do my post from here. This was a very quick tutorial about how to create lists. If you have any further questions about this tutorial or about Facebook or any other social media platform, feel free to ask down below. I also want to do a little push today for my second channel for those of you who are active on social media and sometimes need some inspiration for your social media posts. I have a second channel. It's called Canva for Social Media, where I do tutorials about how to create posts for social media using Canva. I will have that link down in the description as well. And I have opened a store for Canva templates and other digital products. And you can find that at store.pixelpia.com. And I will have a link to that in the description as well. I hope this will help you create your friend list in Facebook. Hej då!